Bullish 1CH cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.31 and $4.37 by 2030. Market investigators accept 1CH could reach $1.80 by 2025. Bearish 1CH market cost expectation for 2023 is 41 cents. 1CH presentation DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where digital money exchanging happens without the inclusion of an outsider. All in all, no monetary foundation or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without separation and must just interface their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that fluctuate from one trade to another, and brokers attempt to purchase the coins at the most reduced value conceivable to augment benefit. This cryptographic money guide will show you all that there is to be aware of the 1inch organization and its elements. In any case, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1inch organization cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1inch organization? This organization has made exchanging more helpful. It examines all DEXs and tracks down the one with the least cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1inch organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1inch organization biological system. This 1inch organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1inch conglomeration convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its own arrangement of costs. Some proposition a more exorbitant cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention examines the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the most reduced cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price subsequently. 1inch liquidity convention. The convention handles all assignments connected with assurance and well-being. This convention safeguards members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It additionally gives motivations to its clients. 1inch breaking point request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients' organization trade open doors and decentralized finance. Different highlights of this convention incorporate unique valuing and contingent orders. This convention additionally upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1inch wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the computerized wallet and associate it to the 1inch organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1inch wallet is an easy-to-use versatile stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It additionally works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. 1CH coin outline. The 1inch organization's ticker image is 1CH. It gives capacity to the 1inch organization and empowers clients to take part. These tokens offer their clients motivating forces as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Moreover, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Besides, holders of 1CH coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related proposition. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1CH organization coins. Despite the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1CH tokens, exchanging through advanced wallets isn't upheld. The 1CH organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1CH is 31,251 CH, with a base cost of 3.331 CH coins. 1CH is as of now worth 51 cents USD. 1CH has moved 4.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,352,347. 1CH is as of now positioned 89 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $410,100,926 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant 1CH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. 1CH value expectation 2023. 1CH, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The 1CH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 77 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 72 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. 1CH is supposed to have a base worth of 61 cents. 1CH value expectation 2024 of every 2024. 1CH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1CH will before long outperform $1.29. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the 1CH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, 1CH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.03 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.13. 1CH value expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.80 and 1CH may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. 1CH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.65 and a low of $1.54 in 2025. 1CH value expectation 2026 if 1CH effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the 1CH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1CH will be green in 2026. The 1CH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.31, with a base cost of $2.06 and a typical cost of $2.16. 1CH value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized investigation. We gauge the 1CH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.67 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, 1CH has a greatest value worth of $2.83. 1CH value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.19. If 1CH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.34. Neglecting to assemble the help 1CH necessities by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.09. 1CH value expectation 2029 while 1CH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $3.60 and a yearly cost close above $3.86 in 2029. 1CH value expectation 2030 by 2030. 1CH will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.11 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value